Today, it is almost expected that the bride will cry and shed tears. I'm challenged right there not to cry. You see, I also am in love with this young lady, and we have a long journey together. A journey that's been fraught with some ups and some downs, and yet we are gathered here today to celebrate her union with Mark. And I am deliriously happy. So Tony, thanks for allowing me to be here with you.
Antoinette, I stand here ready to become your husband, your friend, someone I can trust and confide in. You are the woman I have searched for all my life. Give me hope, better things, pick me up when all crashed down. You gave me back the fight to live once again. It showed me the way when I was lost. I know your past has been one of broken dreams and torment, but today I ask you to take my hand and walk with me into the future to build new dreams. Side by side, hand in hand, as my wife and my best friend. When I look into your eyes, I see my soulmate, my family, and my future. I wear this ring as a reminder of this day when I commit myself to you and our family to be a strong partner to you and the children, regardless of what life has in store for us. I stand here ready to take the challenges of marriage and be the best husband, father, and partner I can possibly be. Today, my wait is over, and my dreams are fulfilled.
Today is a day I never thought would come. A love that has healed me, my children, and filled a huge void. My life has been difficult for many reasons that most will never understand. The tragedies that I have endured alone have taken their toll on me, and I have not been given many worldly gifts, but I have learned how strong I am in the face of the unknown. Though all my hard days I would pray for someone to understand, someone to care, and someone to stand beside me and fight with me through these times. Mark, you are my perfect match, my warrior and my savior. You are not afraid of life, for you know what it is like to suffer, to have dreams crushed and your heart broken. From the day we first met, it was hard to deny the connection. The way you remembered me from the past inspired me to try. Your innate understanding of struggle bonded us in such a way. Most people talk about love and what love is, and how they will weather storms in sickness and in health. Well, I can honestly say that you have proven that you are strong enough to be my man. You understand real life and have built an homage to me full of promise, care, and understanding. You don't promise what you can't deliver, and you work hard at being a great man. Saying I love you is not a strong enough word to express my feelings for you. It is a feeling I feel when I see you talk with Melissa, walk with Jenna, give advice to Jesse, and nurture Joshua. It's a feeling I feel at night when my tea is sitting by my bedside and I'm held when I'm sad and I'm sick. When you are gentle and kind and loving when I'm feeling frustrated and defeated. Love for you is not a word, not a gift on a holiday. It is an everyday expression from you to me. This day connects two lost souls and creates a powerful, formal bond that cannot be broken. I wear my ring with pride, knowing that my heart belongs only to you. I am proud to be your wife, and with this ring, I stand with you for the rest of my life.
As you place that ring on Antoinette's finger, simply say, with this ring, I be wed. Amen. Your ring on Mark's finger. With this ring, I be wed. By the authority invested in me as a preacher of the gospel of Jesus Christ, and by the Commonwealth of the state of Pennsylvania, it is with great joy I get to pronounce you husband and wife. When God is joined together, let no man put asunder. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I do present to you Mr. and Mrs. Mark DeLorenze.
My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beautiful Bastille. Ooh, I give it all. My acres of land I have achieved. It may be hard for you to stop and believe, but for you, ooh, I give it all. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. And baby, if you hold me, then all of this will go away. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Without your smart mouth, drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't be perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all. Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down, I'm around through every mood. You're my
Everyone look right at her.
Yeah, you fit her tongue. She likes me. Turn it up a bit, you guys. Plug it in. Whip it out.
We met, oh gosh, 7 years ago now. And it was really interesting because when I met him, he had said he remembered me from 27 years ago. And he walked up to me and said, I know you. And I was not polite, I was quite rude and said, get away from me. And then he said, no, I really do know you. He said, can I ask you a question? And I was like, yeah. He said, do you know this person? And I was like, why? And he goes, because I know you. I remember you from 1984. You had this on and you were doing this, and I was so taken aback by that. So we have kind of a history here at
It was
Applebees.
at a gas station, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. So how did you recognize somebody from so many years ago?
It was her eyes. I was sitting at the bar and I just looked over and she just looked up. I could see her eyes over the top of the computer screen. And I was like, I know her. And I just said, I'm going to talk to her.
How many years passed between the actual engagement, or I mean not the engagement, but that moment where you met at Applebees in 1984?
I think it was like 20 years.
Yeah, or 25 years.
Maybe 25 years.
25 years.
Might have been even longer.
And you
Because she was
recognize
14, so that was a long time.
How old are you two now?
I'm 51.
Sorry.
I'm 44.
Okay. And yeah, so you guys have known each other since you were teens.
Right, but I had remembered the incident, but not as vividly as he did. From all of his friends that I had talked to afterwards, they had said, you know, he brought up this little Italian girl every time I talked to him. Like every time he was like at Christmas time or drinking or whatever, he'd say, I wish I could find this little Italian girl. And he found his little Italian girl.
Yeah. And now, you know, let's talk about your daughter, and she's the reason why a lot of this is possible today.
That's correct. Genevieve is a very, very special child. She has a lot of challenges. She has mitochondrial neuropathy, and a lot of my life has gone to her and her brothers. And I think she's felt over the years a need to give back. So initially, she contacted Jamie to really volunteer for her, because Genevieve has got that kind of soul where she wants to give back. And then when it came to be that I was giving up more of myself, my wedding money actually, to give her more things, she decided to contact Jamie and said, look, I have a dream now. Can you please help me get my mother married? I really want to give back to her. And so my Genevieve's a very special girl.
Making their dreams come true. At Jamie's Dream Team, it's the next dream that is our most important one. It only happens because of great people like you. Help us make their dreams come true by donating or volunteering at jamiesdreamteam.org.